3 items, all from the grocery store, all under $9 combined. Mix them tonight. Apply tomorrow morning. By Friday, that brown, dead-looking lawn will be turning green. I know exactly how that sounds. Stay with me because I'm going to show you the science behind why this works, walk you through every step, and by the end of this video, you'll never look at a struggling summer lawn the same way again. Every single summer, I get the same call. Homeowner, frustrated, has tried everything. Bags of fertilizer, store-bought sprays, complicated watering schedules. Lawn is still brown, still struggling. Last August, I got a call from a woman named Carol in Plano, Texas. Since April, she had spent $340 on lawn products. Bags of this, bottles of that. Her lawn still looked like the color of wheat straw baking in the sun. She was ready to rip the whole thing out and replace it with artificial turf. I drove out there on a Tuesday, looked at the lawn, tested the soil, told her to put the checkbook away. Then, I drove to the nearest H-E-B grocery store, spent $8.47, came back to her house, mixed 3 things in a hose end sprayer, walked her entire lawn in about 6 minutes. Saturday morning, she sent me a photo. Her text said, "I don't understand what just happened to my lawn." Today, I'm going to show you exactly what I mixed, why each ingredient works, and how to do this yourself tonight. And stay with me to the end, because there's a 4th ingredient I add when I need professional-level deep color. Not just green, the kind of green that makes your neighbors slow down when they drive past. I'll show you exactly what it is. 35 years in this industry, over 800 lawns, and I want to be straight with you about something most people in this business won't say out loud. The #1 mistake homeowners make, and I made it myself in the first decade of my career, is treating a brown lawn with more of the same thing that already didn't work. Lawn looks pale and brown. Add nitrogen. Still pale. Add more nitrogen. Still nothing. Keep going until you've over-applied nitrogen, damaged your soil biology, and your lawn looks exactly the same as when you started, except now you're out another $60. Here's what most homeowners don't know about a brown summer lawn. A brown lawn in July is almost never nitrogen deficient. Nitrogen is usually already in the soil. What a struggling summer lawn is missing is the ability to access what's already there. 2 problems cause almost every brown summer lawn I've ever seen. Problem 1. Magnesium depletion. Summer heat, heavy rainfall, and repeated synthetic fertilizer applications leach magnesium from your soil faster than most people realize. Here's why that matters. Magnesium is the central atom inside every single chlorophyll molecule. Not near the center, at the center. No magnesium, no green. It's that simple. Problem 2. Microbial collapse. The bacteria and fungi living in your top 2 inches of soil. The ones that break down organic matter and deliver nutrients directly to your grass roots. They crash under extreme summer heat and over-fertilized conditions. Your grass is sitting right on top of a pile of nutrients it can no longer reach because the underground delivery system has completely broken down. The tonic I'm about to show you fixes both problems at the same time. Tonight, for under $9. And by Friday, you'll be able to see it working from across the yard. Here's why this information doesn't appear on any product label at Home Depot. The American lawn care industry is built around selling solutions to symptoms. Pale lawn? Here's a greening product, $28. Brown patches? Here's a repair formula, $34. Thin grass? Here's a thickening blend, $41. Every single one of those products targets the surface appearance. None of them addresses the 2 root causes I just described. Because here's the thing. Magnesium sulfate is Epsom salt. It sits on the grocery store shelf for $2. And blackstrap molasses, the single best microbial food source you can put on a lawn, costs $3 in the baking aisle. When the real fix costs $5 instead of $103, there is no product line to build, no marketing budget, no end cap display, no sponsored content from your favorite lawn influencer. Just 3 items on a kitchen counter and a homeowner who knows what's actually wrong with their grass. Ingredient 1. Epsom salt. Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate, and every chlorophyll molecule in every blade of grass on your lawn has a magnesium atom sitting at its center. When magnesium is depleted, through heat stress, heavy rain, or over-fertilization, your grass produces pale, deficient chlorophyll. The blades are alive. The lawn is still growing, but the molecule responsible for producing green color is missing its most critical component. Apply magnesium sulfate as a foliar spray, dissolved in water, misted directly onto the blade surface. And those magnesium ions absorb through the stomata, the tiny pores in each blade, and are incorporated into fresh chlorophyll molecules within 24 to 48 hours. You start seeing color change on day 3 to 5, not because the grass is growing faster, because it's finally producing fully functional, richly pigmented chlorophyll again. Ingredient 2. Blackstrap molasses. Blackstrap molasses is the byproduct of sugarcane processing. It's what remains after all the refined sugar has been extracted, and what's left behind is extraordinary for your soil. Blackstrap molasses contains simple sugars, an immediate food source for soil bacteria. It contains iron at concentrations higher than most commercial iron supplements, calcium for root cell development, additional magnesium beyond what the Epsom salt provides, potassium, one of the 3 primary macronutrients in any fertilizer, and sulfur, which activates the soil enzymes that improve nitrogen absorption. When you apply diluted blackstrap molasses to your lawn, you are feeding every beneficial microbe living in your top 2 inches of soil. Within 24 to 48 hours, microbial activity spikes. Those reactivated microbes start processing the organic matter already present in your soil and delivering nutrients to the grass roots in a form the plant can actually use. The delivery system that crashed in the summer heat comes back online. Your grass can suddenly access everything that was already there waiting for it. Ingredient 3. Plain dish soap. This one is simple. Dish soap is your surfactant. In summer, especially on compacted or drought-stressed soil, water beads up and rolls off the surface rather than soaking in. One small amount of dish soap in your tonic breaks that surface tension and ensures the solution penetrates the blade and reaches the soil beneath it. More penetration means more magnesium absorbed through the stomata. More penetration means more molasses reaching the microbial layer. Same amount of product, significantly better results. Here is exactly what you need and exactly how to mix it. What you need: a quart-size hose end sprayer, available at any hardware store for $10 to $12, one-time purchase that pays for itself on the first use. The ingredients: 3 tablespoons of plain Epsom salt, pharmacy or grocery aisle. White crystals, 1 ingredient. Not scented, not colored bath salts, plain magnesium sulfate. Around $2 for a 1-pound bag, enough for many treatments. 2 tablespoons of blackstrap molasses. Baking aisle. Must say blackstrap on the label, not just molasses. Blackstrap has the highest mineral content. Grandma's, Brer Rabbit Black Label, or any store brand. $3 to $4 for a jar that lasts the entire season. 1 tablespoon of plain liquid dish soap. Not antibacterial, not heavily concentrated. Regular dish soap. Dawn, Palmolive, or store brand. All ready in your kitchen. How to mix it: fill your sprayer jar halfway with warm water. Add the Epsom salt and stir until every crystal is completely dissolved. Add the molasses and stir well. Add the dish soap last and stir gently. You don't want heavy foam. Fill the rest of the jar with warm water. Set your sprayer dial to 2 tablespoons per gallon. 1 quart of concentrate at that dilution covers approximately 2,000 to 2,500 square feet. For a standard quarter-acre residential lawn, roughly 10,000 square feet of turf, you need 4 to 5 quart batches. Each batch takes about 3 minutes to mix. Total product cost for a full quarter-acre treatment: under $9. Carol's total before this, $340. What finally fixed it? $8.47. How you apply matters just as much as what you apply. Timing: morning or evening only. Before 8:30 a.m. or after 6 p.m. The stomata on grass blades are at maximum opening in cooler temperatures. Midday heat causes them to close as a drought defense response. Apply when they're open. Absorption is 3 to 4 times higher than midday application. If you're mixing tonight, set your alarm 10 minutes early tomorrow and apply before you leave for work. It is absolutely worth it. How to walk the lawn: move at a steady pace. Sweep the sprayer side to side like you're painting a wall. Smooth, even coverage. You want the blade surface visibly misted, not dripping. If you see water puddling on the surface, you're moving too slowly. Adjust your pace. Walk north to south on your first pass. Walk east to west the following morning. The cross pattern ensures full, even coverage across every blade. Do not water for 2 hours after application. The solution needs contact time on the blade surface to be absorbed. Run your irrigation system before you spray, not after. Wet soil underneath is fine. Washing off a fresh application is not. Check the forecast before you go outside. If rain is coming within 2 hours, wait. 30 seconds to check an app can save your entire treatment. Repeat every 3 weeks during the active growing season. This is a feeding cycle, not a one-time fix. Your first application will show results by Friday. Your second application builds on that. Your third is when your neighbor stops you in the driveway to ask what you're doing differently. Monday night. Mix the tonic. 10 minutes. Leave the loaded sprayer by the back door. Tuesday morning, first application. 6 to 8 minutes for a typical suburban lawn. Magnesium hits the blade surface. Molasses reaches the soil. The biology begins waking up underground. Wednesday. Nothing visible on the surface yet. The work is happening inside the plant and below ground. Magnesium ions are being built into new chlorophyll molecules. Microbial activity in the top 2 inches of soil is beginning to spike. Thursday. First color shift begins to appear. Look at the base of the blades. That's where you'll see it first. New growth emerging from the crown of each grass plant will be visibly darker green than the stressed, older growth surrounding it. Friday morning. This is Carol's photo moment. The color shift is visible from standing height. The uniform pale brown-yellow has changed, not fully recovered yet, but unmistakably moving in the right direction. Anyone walking past your lawn will notice something is different. Weeks 2 to 3. Full color response. Density beginning to improve. The microbial cycle is fully activated. Nutrients that were locked in the soil are now being processed and delivered. The lawn is feeding itself the way it's supposed to. Second application, 3 weeks after the first. This is where the compound effect takes over. Color deeper than after week 1. Density visibly improving. Root depth increasing as soil biology improves. 1 application produces visible results. 3 applications produce the lawn people stop to look at. I promised you this at the start. The ingredient that takes a recovered lawn from healthy to impressive. Liquid chelated iron. Available at any garden center for $12 to $15 a bottle. Once a month, not every 3 weeks, once a month, add 2 ounces to your regular tonic mix. Here's what it does that the tonic alone doesn't. The Epsom salt and molasses restore the lawn's ability to produce green. They fix the broken system. Liquid chelated iron intensifies the chlorophyll that the now functional system is producing. It deepens and saturates the color without forcing excess top growth. No surge and crash cycle. No burn risk at foliar application rates. Just a richer, darker, more saturated green that you've previously only seen on professionally managed turf. 2 ounces per month from a $15 bottle costs about $2.50 a month to run. That is the color Carol's neighbor was staring at over the fence, wondering what lawn service she had hired. Mistake 1. Using regular molasses instead of blackstrap. Regular molasses has been further refined. The trace minerals, especially iron and calcium, have largely been processed out. Blackstrap is what remains after maximum extraction. It's darker, thicker, and significantly more mineral dense. Look for the word blackstrap specifically on the label. Don't substitute. Mistake 2. Applying in the middle of the day. Stomata are closed in midday summer heat. Absorption is near 0. Your tonic evaporates off the blade surface before it can be taken in. Morning or evening only. This is a hard rule, not a suggestion. Mistake 3. Watering right after application. You just washed off everything you applied. 2 hours minimum before any irrigation or rainfall. Run your sprinklers before you spray. Plan the sequence deliberately. Mistake 4. 1 application and done. The first application starts the process. The second builds on it. The third compounds everything that came before. 1 application produces real, visible results. But the lawn that stops traffic comes from staying on the 3-week cycle for the full growing season. That is Carol's story. And that is what $8.47 did to a lawn that $340 couldn't fix. 3 items from the grocery store. Mixed tonight in 10 minutes. Applied tomorrow morning in 8 minutes. Color shift visible by Thursday or Friday. Epsom salt. Blackstrap molasses. Plain dish soap. Hose end sprayer. Morning application. Every 3 weeks. Add 2 ounces of liquid chelated iron once a month for professional level color. Total annual cost. Under $25. Mix it tonight. Walk the lawn tomorrow morning. Send me a photo by Friday. See you in the next one.